Hello friends and greetings from Iceland. We stopped here on the road to show you the volcano. I just arrived to Iceland now and here you see it. It's still erupting. Now on July 25th. This is the view we have. Lava is going to the east as you see. It's a bit foggy because it's raining, but visibility is rather clear. My phone can capture all the beauty of this eruption, but there you see it. Now it started to rain very badly. Possibly have to go in the car. Sorry. Okay, there you see it. There is no traffic here. I mean, I'm next to P1 Parking. This is the best spot to see the volcano if you hike from P1 Parking, but in the night it's all empty. But people are hiking there, a lot of people through, I don't know exactly where, but I guess they walk by Trail A and then somewhere divert from that trail to reach the volcano. But the cone is building up. The cone is getting bigger and bigger, as you see. When I zoom in, it gets kind of muddy image, but yeah, when I zoom out, it gets better, more closer to real. Yeah, this is kind of a real view. This is the real view that I see from the road. This is how it looks. Yeah, you see there are two distinct two cones matched together like a twin crater. Yeah, this is a real view. Yeah, a lot of rain in Iceland now. This is my first view of the volcano, of this eruption after I arrived in Iceland, like the closest I got to. Anyway, keep driving. Now it stopped to rain. It was like very brief rain, 5 minutes rain, and then it got better. A lot of people walking in the night because they see lights in the trail. Lights from the hikers. You see, people are walking from this trail straight. Okay, they don't walk by trail A. They walk just straight through. Like, I mean, there are probably many ways to get to the volcano, but this is one of the ways to get to the eruption site. Another view from here. You don't see so well, but there are some hikers, as you see. Even now in the night, it's 2 a.m. now, and there are people walking from the eruption. In the rain. Anyway, have to pay, and not now because I'm going home. But there are many cars. Parking is full. Also, the plane from Paris was full of people. Probably everybody is going to see the volcano. But you see, 2 a.m. in the night. Usually you don't see a car here in the night, but now many cars. Yeah. All the best. Greetings from Iceland. This is how it looks. P1 Park.